2024 Sport Compact Champion. Congratulations, Austin.
Thank you. That was a hell of a year.
Well, you know, it is a long season. Of course, we had like a month worth of rain out, so you got a month off, but so you had a really good season.
Oh yeah, definitely did a lot of fun. We're out here for the fun and putting on a show for everybody.
Hey, real quick, let's tell the fans, who do we got to thank for your championship win this year?
Let's make it easy and say everybody that's here. Make it so sweet.
All right, there's your 2024 IMCA Sport Compact Champion, Mr. Austin Bird.